Experience the magic of ideas turning into motion video, capturing the charm of a village in winter, and a flipbook narrative transporting us to Paris in the 1920s? Introducing Kaiber, your one-stop solution to effortlessly generate mesmerizing motion and flipbook videos in just a few clicks. Let's dive in, shall we? Begin by choosing your preferred video type and kickstart your journey by crafting your prompt or selecting curated ideas and styles seamlessly. Now, let's add the perfect finishing touches. Customize your video settings by selecting your desired ratio and fine-tuning the motion level to your liking. Once you're ready, hit Generate Preview to unveil a collection of captivating previews to choose from. Once you've found the one that speaks to your creative soul, simply click Create Video to witness a preview of your masterpiece in action. Impressed? Then go ahead and download your creation to share it with the world. But wait, there's more magic to explore. Kaiber doesn't stop at motion videos alone. Dive into the enchanting world of flipbook videos for a truly dynamic storytelling experience, where you can select your idea and style effortlessly, fine-tune your video settings, adjusting the evolve level to breathe life into your flipbook animation. Click Generate Preview to catch a glimpse of your flipbook creation in action. Choose your favorite preview, and voila! Witness the magic unfold as your final creation takes form. Are you ready to dazzle your audience with your creativity? Explore the endless possibilities with Kaiber today. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.